Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to show the setup and the features of this Noise Color Fit Pro 2 smartwatch. So let's get started. So before I start this video, I would like to tell some details about this watch. So this watch is actually a smartwatch from the Noise company, and this is around only 3,000 rupees in Amazon. And if you want to buy, we put the link in description so that you can buy this watch. So now let's go to the setup process. Okay, so this is the box of the Color Fit Pro 2 watch. So in order to open this, you have to slide this, and the first thing you open is the first thing we get is a card which asks us to register a warranty if you want, and some unwanted stuffs. And now this is the watch. You can see this is the watch, and if you want to take it out, you have to pull it outside. It will be a little hard for those people who don't have energy. So yes, it came, and also there's also a charger which so you can see this is the watch, and there is only one button on the right side. Rest all is the touchpad. So if you want to go up, down, left, right, whatever side you want, it's only touchpad. And this is the only button which you get to see in this watch. And we also have a charger. Before using the watch, you have to charge the device so that you can use it. And this is the charger, and we have user manual to see how to use check and how to set up this watch. So now let's go into the setup process. Okay, so this is the charger, and this is a magnetic. So if you keep on these three dots, if you can see there's a three dots here, there only you should keep this port. So if you keep here, it is automatically, it's a magnetic thing, so it will automatically connect, and it will just switch on, and you can see it is charging. You can see it is charging. So now let's wait for it to charge. Till that, we'll download the app which is called the Noise Fit from the Play Store or the App Store, and let's go for the setup process now. Okay, so this is the phone, and please guess what phone is this in the comments. And now this app is available in the App Store and also in the Play Store. It depends on what phone you have. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Play Store. So, and this is the app which is called Noise Fit. So we are going to install this app, and this is, as you can see, this is installing, and let's wait for it to install. Okay, the app is installed. We are going inside the app, and you can see it is using for this application, using policy and some things. You just hit I agree. Okay. So just hit agree, just need to hit this tick mark and then hit agree. I'm sorry. Then after that, you can see it loads and it comes to this page, and you should choose on pair a device. So you hit on pair a device, and then you should, it's asking allow Noise Fit to access this device location. If you want, you can allow. If you want, you can allow this app to use a location, because it is sometimes helpful. So you can give while using this app, or only this time, or you can delete also, no problem. But I'm going to say while using this app. You see, and now you can see this is the next thing. It wants to turn on Bluetooth. If you want, you can add. If you want, you can add this feature also to your watch. If you want, I'm going to allow, and it's enabling the Bluetooth feature. And now you can see it is searching nearby device. Okay. So it has found this device, the watch, Color Fit Pro 2. So we are going to hit on that watch, and now it's asking, it's your device is pairing. So it has paired my watch, and now it's showing get started. So get started, you hit, and then you can it shows some features. It shows some features that you can use in this watch. So hit next. We have to choose what all features you want, so I will do all of them. and then hit next, and then it is showing what's the gender and when it's her birthday. So let me put all these details and I will see you again. Okay, so this is the last form which you have to fill. So it's asking your step length and your step goal. So I'll fill this all details, everything, and I will see you again. So the watch finally got charged, and now I will show what all things we can do in this watch. So in this watch you can see there is only this one button. So with this button only you can on or off the watch. So I on, and you can see this is full of touchpad. So if you move like this, it will go, you can see like this screen will come, and if you do like this means the normal will come. And here you have the heart rate, the vibration, the night mode, and the function. Like if it is connected to the phone, there will be a green light over there. And now you can see there is a sports mode, meaning if you wear this watch and if you like walk or run or do any other physical activities, it will tell how many hours you have done or how much steps you have taken, like that will tell. And heart rate you have here. So heart rate is the heart rate in your body, and then you have the breath rate as well. Then you have the alarm. If you go alarm, you can only set up in the app, you cannot set up in the watch. So right now I have not set up any alarms in my watch, so that's why it's showing nothing here. And next, if you go down, we have stopwatch. Then we also have settings and sports record. So let's go into settings, and here you can see there are 3 options. There is dial, dimming, and about. Dial is the watch face, which I told before also. There, if you can go there, you can see there are a number of options there. If you go down, there's more options there. They'll give 4 to 5 options, but if you don't like any of them, means you can also choose any picture from your mobile, or you can even take a picture using the tab, noise fit tab. And then if you go more down, there is only one option called the shutdown, where you can switch off the watch, and only these many things are there. So hope you like this video. Okay, so thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas to everyone. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and also tell me in the comments how you like the videos, and I'll also put the link in the description for if you want to buy this watch. It is only around 3,000 rupees in Amazon. So that's all, and see you in the next video, and bye.